Hey guys, welcome to Tyler Fixes Things. I'm Tyler, and what we're working on today is this little bitty go-kart right here. We're going to talk about chains. I'm going to show you really simple. This isn't that difficult of a thing, but it's something small at some point I didn't know how to do. And even you out there, if you're figuring out how do I take my chain off, I'm going to show you how. So let's hop over here and I'm going to show you. Before I get you too upset at me, I'm going to tell you that there are some chains out there that do not have a master link. Some of them are pre-made and these are bradded in here. And if your objective is to remove a chain or take it off, you're going to grind down these two studs from one link all the way down, pop this link off, and what's going to pop out is something that looks kind of like this. It's going to slide through. But in this instance, this is the master link. I'm going to show you how to install these. So we'll go ahead and get the chain wrapped around our sprocket. We want to get this master link somewhere close to us. That way we can put the master link in easily. So we're going to roll this chain on around here. So now that we've got this sitting here, we can just rest it on the sprocket. It'll kind of hold it there for us. Alright, and the reason I put that in from the back side out is for this next reason. You've got your outer link and your keeper. So what we do, now that this is through here, we put on our outer link and this keeper. Here's the little tip that will help you and save you from popping chains in some situations. People will argue that you can put this keeper on here any direction, but this chain direction primarily is always going to be going forward to propel this go-kart forward. So what we do is we're going to put this facing the opening to the rear so that this rounded edge will be the forward driving force. And I say that because let's say we put this thing on backwards like this. Put the clip on here backwards. Well, now when the chain is rotating forward, if anything catches this, if it was on here just like this, it's going to catch the front and it's going to pop this clip right off here. So since this chain is a always forward drive, we're going to rotate this back. That way if anything strikes this little keeper, if anything, it's just going to keep tightening it and it's not going to make it slip off. I usually get a little set of needle nose and I'll squeeze these together and pop that back in place. Make sure you got a good grab on this little thing and don't be mad if your finger slips off and pinch some skin. Just try to avoid that. So I usually squeeze right here on the end in between the link and give it a little squeeze and pop. Boom, she's on there. So now when this chain's riding forward, if we hit this master link keeper, it's not going to sling it off the chain. So that's it. I know this simple chain stuff here, but you know what? At one time I didn't know how to do it, and somebody out there may be watching this because they're not sure. So this is how you do it. I hope you learned something today. God bless and thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.